about what to do when your car won't start. You can use something like this. It's a battery box, or the more traditional method of jumper cables, where it looks like this on both ends and it gets set up to another car. If you are hooking up to another car, you want to have both cars off and start with the positive, which is the red, or it has a plus sign on it. And you will hook up positive to positive, and then negative to negative. Now negative is ground, so you can use the ground or you can use the body of the car. Once you hook it up, this thing's cool because it will read the voltage of the battery. So at 13.2, you know you're good because you've got at least 12 volts to start the battery. Then give it a second and start the car. If you're jumping from another car, you can increase the electrical load on the car you are jumping from, the car that has a good battery, by turning on things like the rear defrost, high beams, things that'll help the electrical load increase to give more juice to the car that you are jumping, the car that has a bad battery.